Look at your desk right now. Wires everywhere. Monitors wobbling. No space to think. For years, we've accepted this chaos as normal. But what if I told you that a silent revolution is happening in the most overlooked part of your setup? In 2026, a monitor stand is no longer just a piece of metal. It's the brain of your desk. We've tested the prototypes, and what we found isn't just an upgrade, it's a cure for desk clutter. The future of your productivity starts right here, right now. Number 1. North Bayou Single Spring. Who says a little bit of money can't go a long way these days? Priced at just $30, the North Bayou Single Spring Monitor Arm has an impressive track record with over 17,000 reviews on Amazon, averaging a stellar rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. What's even more remarkable is that 90% of these ratings are 4 stars and above, which is pretty impressive. According to Amazon, over 3,000 have been solid in the past month. If you're looking for something cheap that works, this is definitely my recommendation. It accommodates monitors sized 17-inch to 30 with a weight capacity just under 20 pounds, outshining competitors by 25%. While its cable management system may feel slightly flimsy on the upper arm and cumbersome on the bottom, it serves well for those seeking a simple wire organization solution. Number 2. Wali Single Premium Spring. Priced at $50, the Wali Single Premium offers several upgrades from the $30 pick. With a rating of 4.4 out of 5 on Amazon and over 4,000 reviews, it's a popular choice. Over 500 has sold in the past month. Supporting monitors up to 32-inch diagonally and weighing up to 17.6 pounds, it allows for slightly larger monitors than the North Bayou, but with a 2 pounds weight reduction. Even though the North Bayou can technically support more weight than the Wali, I believe that the Wali is better built. Looking first at the C-clamp mount, the thickness of the steel, a better connection of the clamp to the arm, and the added depth of the threading for the adjustment screw make the Wali foundation more solid. Number 3. VIVO Heavy Duty. If you have an ultra-wide screen or use a TV as a monitor, the VIVO Premium HD is where I would recommend starting your search. This is my pick for a $100 monitor arm and is the first arm in the list to qualify as being heavy duty. It currently has just under 1,000 reviews and an average score of 4.3 out of 5. Amazon mentions that more than 1,000 have sold in the past month, so it is definitely a popular item. The VIVO HD offers superior build quality compared to other entry-level products that I've tested, featuring steel and aluminum construction. This includes the pivoting head feature on the arm. I don't like its clear cable management system because most of my wires are black and I'd prefer my cables to blend in versus stand out, but it is highly functional. Number 4. Ergotron LX. Once you reach the $200 price range, you have entered into what I consider to be top-of-the-line monitor arms. The Ergotron LX is exactly that, and when put next to any of the less expensive alternatives in the list, the difference is obvious. It currently has over 14,000 reviews on Amazon, with an average score of 4.6 out of 5 and more than 500 have been purchased in the past month. The Ergotron LX is the least expensive premium monitor arm that I would recommend. Some might say the Amazon Basics should be that arm, but it doesn't appear that Ergotron is selling it to Amazon any longer. I love how heavy-duty the arm and all of its components feel. The finish feels more industrial than home, but it is durable and unlikely to show signs of wear during the arm's lifetime. Ergotron rates this arm for traditional widescreen monitors up to 34-inch diagonally, from 7 up to 25 pounds. The desk clamp is solid. It is able to attach to desks 0.4 to 2.4 inch thick, with the grommet mount fitting thicknesses up to 2.25. Adjustments are smooth and we've had zero issues with them. This arm is backed with a 10-year warranty at this price point. Number 5. Ergotron HX. My choice at the $400 price point is the Ergotron HX, which is part of Ergotron's premium lineup of monitor arms. If you're considering upgrading to the HX, it's likely because you need additional weight capacity or have a larger monitor. This model is particularly popular for ultra-wide monitors and TVs used as monitors. Similar to the LX, the HX has an average score of 4.6 out of 5 on Amazon, with more than 3,000 reviews overall. Amazon says that more than 300 have been purchased in the past month, which doesn't sound like a lot compared to the cheap alternatives, but considering the price point, it is the most popular premium option available right now. And that is how you truly unlock your workspace's potential. From cable-free designs to built-in power hubs, the winner isn't just a stand, it's a command center. Your back, your eyes, and your workflow will thank you. To get ahead of the curve, every single product link and pre-order page for these revolutionary stands is in the description below. If this glimpse into the future of your desk helped you, do your setup a favor, smash the like button, share this with someone who needs a cleaner desk, and subscribe for the tech that upgrades your life. See you in the future.